This is IDW Portfolio Tracker, and this video walks you through first-time setup. You will only have to do this setup once. We go in order because some steps depend on earlier ones. Everything you enter stays on your computer unless you turn on Cloud Sync, which we cover in a moment. Let's start on the profile screen. If more than one person uses this computer, each person gets their own profile, with a separate portfolio and separate settings. Click Manage Profiles to open the Create form. Type a name, Mom, Dad, or your own first name. Then click Create. Your profile name shows on every screen, and it decides which portfolio the app opens. Now, select your profile and click Set or Change PIN for Selected. Pick a 4 to 6-digit number you will remember. The app asks for this PIN every time you open your profile, so nobody else on this computer can open your financial information. Click Continue, and because this profile now has a PIN, the app takes you to its own sign-in page instead of opening right away. Type the PIN and click Unlock. Get it wrong 5 times in a row, and the profile locks for 15 seconds, then 30, then 60, doubling each time. Plenty of warning before anyone can brute force their way in. Open Settings in the Setup section of the sidebar and find the Cloud Sync box. Cloud Sync is optional. It copies your portfolio to a private account, so a second computer can see the same numbers. Type an email address and a password of at least 6 characters, then click Create Account. Once you are signed in, a Backup This PC Now button appears, and the app backs up on its own after every change you make. 2 buttons decide which direction your data travels, and it is worth being slow about this one. Backup This PC now sends this computer's data up to the cloud. Get data from another PC does the opposite. It brings your data down and replaces what is on this computer. Backing up never pulls another computer's work onto this one, so on a brand new machine, choose Get Data from another PC. Separately, when the 2 copies disagree, the app asks which one wins. Use Cloud takes the cloud copy. Keep This Devices sends this computer's copy up instead. Ask Me Later changes nothing and asks again. Below Cloud Sync, click Enable 2-Factor. Open an authenticator app on your phone. Google Authenticator, Authy, and 1Password all work, and scan the square code on screen. Your phone starts showing a 6-digit number. Type that number into the box and click Enable. From now on, signing into Cloud Sync on any device asks for a fresh code from your phone. Do this next part now, not later. Click Add another authenticator and repeat the scan on a second phone or a second app. Ciao. If you ever lose one device, the backup still signs you in. If a setup goes wrong, disable 2-Factor in this same box, clears it, and you start over. Still in Settings, under Setup, find the Claude AI box. Go to console.anthropic.com in your browser, sign in, open API keys, and click Create Key. Worry. Copy the key, which starts with SK-ANT, and paste it here. This key powers the AI Advisor tab, the dashboard's insights and its Ask box, reading holdings out of a statement screenshot, and the Ask the AI Advisor box now built into Portfolio, Rebalance, Watchlist, and every retirement section. Next box down is Email Notifications. Alert Email is simply where you want messages to land. Below it, the app needs a Gmail account to send through, so enter your Gmail address. This address is used for price alerts from the Alerts tab and for the monthly report, and nothing else. The next field is not your Gmail password. In your browser, open myaccount.google.com, click Security, turn on 2-step verification if it is off, then open App Passwords. Google gives you a 16-character password. Paste that here. The app uses it only to send your own alerts and reports, and you can revoke it from Google at any time. There are 2 ways to get alerts on your phone, and you can use both at once. The first is Phone Push. Click Generate to create a topic name, click Save Settings, Then install the free NNTFI app on your phone and subscribe to that same topic name. It costs nothing and it works on every carrier. The second is a text message. Enter your 10-digit mobile number and pick your carrier. That one goes out through your carrier's email to text gateway, which some carriers allow and some block. So press Send Test Text to find out which yours does. Leave both switched on, and one path being blocked never costs you an alert. Automated Monthly Reports emails you a PDF summary. Enter the address you want it sent to. Emergency Contacts is a check-in. If you stop opening the app for a long stretch, the people you list here get a message. Add a name and an email for each one. If your household runs the app on more than one computer, click Send Alerts and Reports from this device on just one of them, so you do not get everything twice. Then click Save Settings. Now open the Profile tab, down in the Setup section. This is where every other number in the app gets specific to you, Sialt. Fill in your age, the age you want to retire, your income, and what you put away each month. Not sure your tax bracket? Click Estimate My Bracket, and the app checks the current IRS numbers for you. Scroll down for monthly spending in retirement, Social Security, and any pension or rental income. None of it is required, but every number you add feeds the AI advisor's answers, the retirement tab's projections, and the withdrawal plan. Click Save Profile. Let's look at your portfolio. Open the Portfolio tab and click New Account. Name it after the real thing: 401k, Roth IRA, brokerage, HSA. Make one for each account you actually hold. The name matters. The app reads it to work out which money is taxable and which is not, and that drives the tax advice and the rebalance suggestions. With that account selected, type a ticker symbol into the ticker box, enter how many shares you own, and click Add. Repeat for each fund or stock in the account. Prices come down automatically. So, these holdings are what fill your dashboard totals, the charts, the dividend calendar, and every analysis screen. Typing every holding gets old, so there are two shortcuts. First, click Import Screenshot/CSV on the Portfolio tab. A photo, a PDF, or a CSV export from your broker all work, and this one needs the Claude key from earlier. Importing into an account that already has a ticker updates it instead of skipping it, so rerunning an import keeps your data current. Second, and better, open Broker Sync in the Setup section. Click Add Account for most brokerages, or Add Fidelity/Other for the rest. You log in with your normal brokerage credentials, and after that, your holdings update themselves. Click Sync All Now once a day after the market closes, and the app also refreshes on its own every time you open it. Do not worry if a trade you made today has not shown up yet. Your broker usually settles it overnight. If an account has not updated in more than 3 days, remove it and add it again to reauthorize the connection. Last two things. On the Alerts tab, type a ticker, choose above or below, type a price, and click Add Alert. When it triggers, it goes to the email and phone number you entered earlier. One catch, and the app says so right on that screen. It can only watch prices while it is running. Leaving it minimized or down in the system tray works fine. Closing it stops the checks until you open it again. And if you want this on a second computer, install the app there. Open Settings, in the Setup section, sign in with the same Cloud Sync email, and click Get Data from another PC. Your whole setup comes down. Do not click Back up this PC now on the new computer first. That would send its empty setup up over your real one. Thank you for watching the setup video of IDW Portfolio Tracker.